Good morning to all. My name is Kalpesh Gambhir Chaudhary, and today's my topic is encapsulation in Java. So first of all, OOPS is a main concept in Java. So what is OOPS? OOPS is a object oriented programming system, and the basic pillar of four basic pillars of OOPS. So first is inheritance, second is encapsulation, third one is polymorphism, and last one is the abstraction. So today we discuss the encapsulation in Java. So what is encapsulation? Encapsulation in Java is a process of wrapping code and data together into a single unit. For example, a capsule, which is mix of survival medicine. So we can create a fully encapsulated class in Java by making all the data members of the class private. Now we can use setter and getter method to set and get the data in it. So the Java Bean class in the example of fully encapsulated class. So the advantage of encapsulation in Java: by providing only a setter or getter method, you can make the class read only or write only. In other words, you can skip the getter or setter method. It provides you the control over the data. Suppose you want to set the volume of ID, which should be greater than 100 only. You can write the logic inside the setter method. You can write the logic not to store the negative numbers of the setter methods in the setter methods. So it is a way to achieve a data hiding in Java, because other class will not be able to access the data through the private data member. The encapsulated encapsulate class is easy to test, so it is better for unit testing. To understand, IDEs are providing the facility to generate the getter or and setter, so it is easy and fast to create an encapsulated class in Java. So simple example of encapsulation in Java. So let's in package we create a class student. So private string name, in public string get name, the method return name. So the public void set name string name bypass the string name, and this dot name is equal to name. So a simple example of encapsulation that has only one field with is setter and getter method. So in another example, so in package we create a class test in main method. So create a object student s is equal to new student. So as dot set name Vijay and system dot out dot println as dot get name. So the compile by Java D. So output is a Vijay. So the next one is a write only class. So in public class student, in private string college, and public void set college. So string in bypass the value string college. So this dot college is equal to college. So now you can get the value of the college. You can only change the value of college data member. So the another example of encapsulation in Java, let's we can create a class account. In account class private log account number, private string name or mail, and private float amount. So in public long get method get account number and return account number. So in public void set account number, so bypass the value long account number, and this dot account number is equal to account number. So in another method we create a get name string. So another method set name by using value passing string name So these name local so these name local, so local, this dot name is equal to name. So the uh, local name, so in another create a method get email. So we create a set email, get account, get amount, and set amount. So this is the example of encapsulation, and this encapsulation in Java. Thank you.